Hello, my name is Andrew Byrne, and you are watching Drew's Custom Creations. And right now, you're watching part 2 of the Python Basics series that I am doing. So, this might seem weird. I'm posting twice in a day. However, the print command and variables go together sort of like bread and butter. Not butter. Sorry. Words are not working for me. It's late. Anyway, I probably should have done the print function first before I did the variables, because, everybody learns how to print hello world in a program before they actually do anything else. And if you have no idea what hello world is or whatever, don't worry, it's fine. You're a beginner, likely, so don't worry. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you some extra things you can do with the print command. So how do you format the print command? Well, you do it like this. You have print right here, and then right next to it, a couple parentheses. And inside of the parentheses, you can put in anything. Well, not anything, but I'll show you what you can put in there. So, for example, you can put in just basic things like hello world without printing out a variable or something. And as you can see, it prints out hello world. Now, make sure always to use apostrophes or quotes, because if you don't, then what it will do, it'll give you an error, a syntax error. Anyway, another thing that you can do is print out a variable. So var is equal to 6.7. Print var. And it gives you 6.7. Now make sure not to put the variables in not parentheses, quotes or apostrophes, or else it'll just print out the word var. It won't give you an error, but it won't print out the variable either, as you can see in this case. Anyway, what you can also do is you can print the result of mathematical operations. So, for example, print 3 plus 5. If you run that, guess what you'll get? 8. Yeah, print command can do a lot of things. You can also print adding two variables together, multiplying them, all that. You can also print two different things. So, for example, var is equal to 3. Print the number is, comma, then var. Make sure to include the comma outside of it, or else it'll give you a syntax error. Also, make sure to include the space and don't put var into quotes, because again, it's a variable. And you'll get the number is 3. So, yeah. Anyway, also, you can do stuff like new lines, stuff to sort of format it, like putting in quotes. I forgot how to do that, but I don't think you guys would need it anyway, because it's very rare that you do that sort of thing. But yeah, maybe I can include that in a more informational video going deeper into this topic. So now, I shall test you guys. Don't worry, don't click away. It's not like the test you get in school. It's easy test, just sort of reviewing what we learned. Okay, so, does this work? Will that give you an error? Would it print out hello world? What would it do? Give you some time to think about it. Okay, so hopefully you said that gives you an error. Why does it do that? Well, that's because we forgot to properly format it. Make sure to add in the apostrophes or the quotes. There we go. Now, can you do Can you do that? And indeed you can. It'll print out the word 10. Okay, so that's the testing part. So now what I want you guys to do is the challenge. It's an easy challenge, don't worry. What I want you guys to do is I want you to, using what you've learned in the past 2 videos, print out the word happy 5 times. Except what I want you to do is you need to create a variable, and then it needs to have a string, and then multiply that variable by the number 5, and then I want you to print out the variable. You can just pause the video and do that. Okay, so how did I do this? Well, what I did was number of times is equal, emotion is equal to happy. And then emotion is equal to emotion times 5. And after that, print emotion. And it's as simple as that. Happy, happy, happy. Yeah. And there we go. So I hope you found that useful, guys. Hopefully you learned something about Python. And also make sure to like and subscribe. And tell me what I can do to improve, because I'm a new YouTuber. I've done this for like 4 weeks, I think. You guys can look at my oldest video. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this useful. And if you didn't, just look up another Python tutorial. Anyway, bye-bye.